Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, open Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and go straight to the dashboard so you can act now. If prompted, authenticate with your device PIN or owner account. This unlocks controls. Once done, find the app list or app timers entry and tap the app you want removed. Make sure to note whether it's restricted by focus mode or a parental control profile, because removing must address the exact restriction type before final deletion. You'll see 3 common restriction types: timers, focus mode, and supervised profiles. First, tap the app and remove any app timer or set it to 0. This lifts automatic blocking. Next, check focus mode, toggle the app out of blocked lists so notifications and launch permissions return. If the device uses parental controls, open the parental profile and remove the app from the supervised list. You may need the parent account credentials to finalize that change. Now that restrictions are cleared, decide whether to uninstall or simply exclude the app from Digital Wellbeing tracking. To uninstall, go to Settings, right arrow, Apps, right arrow, select the app, right arrow, uninstall. To keep it but stop tracking, return to Digital Wellbeing and exclude it from the dashboard or focus lists. If it still appears blocked, reboot the device or clear Digital Wellbeing app data in Settings, right arrow, Apps, right arrow, Digital Wellbeing. This often resolves lingering state issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.